Hello student, now again the Nernst equation on fuel cell. How to find the Nernst equation formula of fuel cell. Okay, now there is a three condition or case. The case number one, suppose you have this type of cell representation M solid to Mn plus. It means oxidation is there, you know, left hand side हमेशा negative and right hand side always positive. Yeah, clear? So there is a oxidation and there is a reduction. M convert to Mn plus and N plus convert to what? N solid. This is not a plus charge. This is a positive electrode and there is a negative electrode. And you know this is a non-standard. It means temperature is 298 Kelvin and the concentration is, देखो, there is a different concentration. So how to find? So you know very well. Suppose M convert to Mn plus charge and there is a N electron. You know oxidation is there and this N plus charge accept N electron to gives N. Simple. And now the full reaction, electron cancel, so M solid N plus charge aqueous and gives N plus charge aqueous and last is N solid. So you focus only for this. So N plus is what? This is concentration 1 and N plus this is concentration 2. So how to find the formula? So E cell is equals to E naught cell. Yeah, 0.0591 upon N electrons. Yeah, and the log of base 10 product upon reactant. तो product में कौन सा लिखोगे? Only for the concentration. This is a product and this is a reactant. The product is what? N plus and reactant is what? N plus. You also write this but the value of these two value is N value is 1 and the M value is 1. Now you can also write E naught cell 0.0591 upon N electron and the N plus is what? N plus is C1 concentration and N plus is C2 concentration. So this is a formula, E cell value. Yeah, now there is a numerical based on this topic. देखो, there is a negative electrode, there is a positive. It means there is a what? There is oxidation and there is a reduction. Okay, so first you write down the equation. Zn gives Zn2 plus. It means 2 electron is there, half oxidation, and Cu2 plus accept 2 electrons and the formation of Cu. Electron cancel, then Zn plus Cu2 plus gives Zn2 plus Cu. So this is what? Concentration and this value is what? 0.01 molar and this Cu2 plus is what? 0.1. Yeah, clear? So now the value is also given. So you have a formula, E cell is equals to E naught cell. So how to find the E naught cell? How to find E naught cell? So you know the E naught cell formula, E naught cathode minus E naught anode. Yeah, cathode value is what? Cathode is a copper and anode is a zinc. The copper value is 0.34 and anode is what? Minus 0.76. It means plus. The value is what? 1.10 volt, positive value. Then you put E naught cell minus 0.0591 upon N log of base 10. Product is what? Zn2 plus and reactant is what? Cu2 plus. Then you apply E naught cell value is 1.10 volt, 0.0591. N is what? 2 electron difference. देखो 2 electron difference and log of base 10. Zn2 plus value is what? Zn2 plus is 0.01 and the copper is 0.1. There is a 10 and there is a 100. Yeah. तो 0 0 cancel, तो 10 to the power minus 1. Yeah, 10 to the power minus 1. तो 1.10 0.0591 divided by 2 and there is a log of base 10 10 to the power minus 1. So now 1.10 and there is a 0.0591 divided by 2 and there is a minus 1 log of base 10 10. Log 10 the value 1, and now the final answer is what? Just you solve all the topics, minus minus plus, you multiply by this. So 1.10 plus 0.0295, then the answer is 1.1295 volt. So this is a case 1 topic. Okay, now suppose you have the case 2, m solid to m x plus and n y plus. There is a different x charge and y charge, and the concentration is different again. So now first you write down m solid to converted to m x plus, and there is a x electron. Yeah, because x charge is there, the charge is different, then this n y plus what? Except y electron, then what? Then what? N solid. Okay, now there is a different electrons, there is a x electron, there is a y electron, so we multiply by y and this is for x. तो एक्स वाई इलेक्ट्रॉन है ना, तो ये किस में हो जाएगा? y, and this is y and this is xy. Clear? The same for this is x, this is xy and this is x. Yeah, so this cancel. Now this is what? ym solid plus x n y plus charge gives y m x plus charge, and the last is x n solid. So this is a coefficient value. Then how to write? देखो, there is a concentration terms. This is a concentration, this is a concentration. Clear? This is for concentration 1, this is a concentration 1 and this is a concentration 2. तो m इसके लिए concentration 1 and n for concentration 2. So then you write the formula E cell is equals to E naught cell minus 0.0591 divided by what? Electrons. N means what? XY electrons. Yeah. Log of base 10. Product is what? Product is m x plus charge, and this coefficient is a power of this. Yeah, coefficient हमेशा power में जाएगा. And there is a n y plus charge and the power coefficient power is x. So this is a formula. So suppose you have this type of numerical. For this numerical is based on this. So just you find mg converted into mg2 plus. Yeah, there is a 2 electrons, it means oxidation is there, and ag plus except only 1 electron, and there is a formation of ag. So you know the multiply by this equation is 2. So there is a 2 ag, 2 electron, 2. Then you arrange the full value. Electron electron cancel. So what is mg solid plus 2 ag equals gives Mg2 plus. This is a aqueous form, and there is a 2Ag. Now this Mg2 plus value is what? 0.01, and this Ag is what? 0.1. अच्छा, कोफिशिएंट इज जितना भी हो, वैल्यू मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करेंगे. क्लियर? एक्सप्लेन कर दिया मैंने. नाउ ई सेल इज इक्वल्स टू ई नॉट सेल minus 0.0591 divided by n log of base 10. प्रोडक्ट कौन सा रहेगा? Mg2 plus, and the reactant is what? Ag plus. Ag, this value Ag plus, और कोफिशिएंट कहाँ चला जाएगा? ऊपर पावर में. तो फर्स्ट यू फाइंड द E नॉट सेल. तो E नॉट सेल इज व्हाट? E नॉट कैथोड माइनस E नॉट एनोड. तो देखो कैथोड वाला कौन सा है? राइट हैंड साइड. इट मीन्स 0.80, एंड देयर इज अ माइनस माइनस प्लस 2.36. तो कितना हो जाएगा? 3.16 वोल्ट. तो देन यू अप्लाई द वैल्यू 3.16, and the difference of electron is what? 2, and there is a log of base 10. Mg2 plus की वैल्यू 0.01, and इसका 0.1 की पावर 2. ओके, देन यू सॉल्व. इसको सॉल्व करने के बाद द आंसर इज व्हाट? 3.16 वोल्ट. तो आप लोग सॉल्व करके देखना. ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू.